Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download file from Mega on your PC. So if you've got share folder link or you have files in your Mega Drive, go ahead and double click the folder to open it. If you just want to download one file, then right click on it and click download. There are two options. I'm going to choose the first one. And you'll see it start using a Mega Downloader. And then it's gonna ask you where do you want to save it. You can choose your download folder and then hit save. And now if you want to download lots of files, then all you have to do is click and hold the left mouse, then drag to highlight all the files, or all you can do is hold down the control key and click each file one by one. And after that, right click and you will see the download. All you have to do is download as a zip. And if you want to download the whole folder, then all you have to do is just find it in your drive and then right click, go to download and then say download as a zip file. That's it. I hope this video really helped you out. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.